Good morning and welcome to EBEONADI103.5FM. Today, the 30th day of December 2024. Today is Monday and the time is 2 minutes past the hour of 7. It's time for newspaper headlines on EBEONADI103.5FM. This morning, we are going to take you through the news making the headlines on Nigerian newspapers. But before we do that, let's go for a short break. When we come back, we'll continue on the stories making the headlines. Please stay with us. You're welcome back to newspaper headlines on Airborne and 103.5 FM. This morning, we are going to take you through the news making the headlines on The Guardian, Leadership, Vanguard, Sun, Punch, Daily Post, The Nation. This day, and if time permits, we are also going to take a look at Nigerian Tribune newspapers. Remember that you can become part of the conversation by sending your reactions via SMS or WhatsApp messages on 081 38 39 7740 or 081 39256742 or 08065796599. I am Martin. Let's get started with the Guardian newspaper this morning. Former US President Jimmy Carter dies aged 100. States spend more than aimed. May continue reliance on FAAC income. Para governor accused of funding private projects with state resources. Police rescue 13 abductees, arrest 5 suspected armed robbers. Ohaneze hails Tinubu, picks Umahi as 2024 Igbo Man of the Year. Oshun royal family threatens suit over monarch's appointment. Experts falls military's reactionary approach to terrorism. Many federal roads in poor condition at Yuletide despite Umahi's pledges. Lagos churches, mosques, nightclubs to get noise permits. Wike replies Odere accuses ex-governor of sycophancy. Experts force military's reactionary approach to terrorism. Ranger patrols improve security, restore wildlife at Taraba Park. 60% suffer adverse health effects in Niger Delta,